Got idea, one of those pretty cool kinetic art gadgets. So you plug it in, and this one is loud. I think there's other ones that is not so loud, and also on batteries, hidden batteries. So you just put a ball in, and it will speed up and it will throw it. And then you can put multiple balls in. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That is so satisfying. Whoops. The table is not super leveled. That's why it's throwing out a little bit sometimes. So this is just a very satisfying toy. And how does this work? There is a little wheel spinning in there and speeds up the ball whenever it goes through. Keep spinning them over. Too powerful. This is hilarious. So you can do multiple, a little bit loud, but that's what it's all about. Wish it was on batteries, so it's hidden, doesn't have a power bank. But this thing is pretty satisfying. Definitely a fun thing to like waste some time, get your mind off things. Pretty much this today's fidget toy over here. That's all it is. Whoop. Knock each other off. I love it. You see how there is a little truck and there is a wheel inside of it, swinging it to the little truck. That's such an amazing kinetic toy. I think the kids will definitely love it and make their brain work a little bit. But yeah, I can look at it all day. There's a different view. Oh! One flew out. Once in a while they come off a truck, but that's okay. That's a good view right here too. Kind of fun to have a whole bunch of them, so that way you know there's a bunch of them at the same time almost flying. That's so cool. You know what it reminds me of? One of these pinball machines. Those are a lot of fun. Oh, don't lose those. I lost one already. Very satisfying. Yeah, underhand is the way to go. Got right here little poppers. Just break it open. Oops, one came off. No big deal. You kind of want to hold it in the palm after you open and shoot it this way. And the coolest part, after you shot it, it is mess free. You can roll it up together super fast and easy. Okay, one more different view. Maybe I should do it underhanded. See if it'll work better. So just open it. Let's see if I can throw it underhanded and it's gonna be better or not. Yeah, probably not so much. You wanna go over the top. But the coolest part is, it is a mess free. You can just pick it all up real quickly. Just a little bit of stuff. So just open it a little bit and let's start off a balcony. That's cool. Looks like raining. Okay, another view of it. That's pretty cool, don't you guys think? And then you can even hang it right here for kids to play. Two at the same time. Oh, second one didn't come out as good. Maybe two different hands. different shot. That is fun too. Wow. Super lightweight. One more. I'm gonna just toss it up. That is cool too. This time I'm just gonna toss it up. Whoa, I did it too fast. Wow, that is awesome. Wow, that is cool. So what I do is just put it in a ring and then I twist it so it's tight, break it open a little bit, keep it all in the hand and then just toss it. I think underhand is a little bit better. Break it open, keep it all in your hand like this and then toss it. Yeah, underhand is the way to go. And then it's a mess free because it all stays together. So the idea is it's gonna tangle up and get all over the people. So if there's crowd, it's gonna look pretty good. So there's different ways to throw it. Explodes into a full. Got here miniature gas can for chainsaws and things like that you can bring it with you, very lightweight but still can hold quite a bit of gasoline, especially for chainsaw. It says quick fill and there's a feature so that way you don't spill it, and also if you turn it this way it's locked. So all you have to do is turn it and let's say you put it in the chainsaw, this is just water, and you push it and it's going to fill it. You see it? And let's see what happens. It pours it quite slowly, but no big deal. Let's see what happens once it gets to the edge over there. Obviously, set it on the ground. Will it stop? You know what? I thought it would stop it, but it does not stop. At least we can shut it off anytime. I had once before, once it gets to that level, it stops automatically. So, looks like half a liter easily, only a little bit left in there. Let's see, half a liter easy. That is pretty unique, don't you guys think? Okay, one more test. Let's see if this whole thing is lickable or not, if we're gonna put it upside down. You know, holding off really good on this edge. So you can either push it on here or on this edge if your mouth is much bigger. Let's look at it close up. It's quite hard to push. Maybe after a while the spring will loosen up, but there you go. Very unique little gas can. Oh, this time it stopped. That's what I thought it's supposed to do. You see, once it gets to that level, it stops. So first time it didn't work correctly. You feel it? There's a lot more. And now you see it's not pouring anymore. Okay, you use your chainsaw. Once you're out of gas again, you grab it and push it again. And it refills it again. And once it touches that end of it, it should stop again. Looks like we're out of gas or out of water in this case. Again, using water just to test it out. Don't worry guys, I'm not spilling gas. Okay, slips a little bit on a bigger mouth. Okay, it's pouring really good now. I can hear it's gulping. So not super fast flow, but it's not a big deal. It's only half a liter of gasoline, perfect for small engine like chainsaw. And as you can see, it gets to that level and it stops. Okay, I did something, that's why it didn't work in the beginning. Now it works well. Just gotta hold it 90 degrees down, I guess. Okay. And it stopped. Wow, that is so cool. I can't believe it actually stopped again. And one last time. Pour it in. Fill it up just to top it off. Boom, stopped. Amazing, wow. What an amazing little gadget, that's for sure. Man, that's fast. Got it here, portable coin machine. Let's check this out. Then it comes off like that and boom, you have right here coin sorter. There's a plug-in wire, the on button right here. Nice. We're gonna put some coins in here. Wow, and it's counting each coin. Okay. Holding a lot of coins, separating them well. Look, it counts how many coins. 7, 2, 58. You see, this is little notched. This is the counter. Beautiful. There's a couple coins still in there. You can help it out. 5. Ooh, 1 cent, 1, 2. It's supposed to go into 1 cent right here, 10 cent in here. Let's put a lot more. Ooh, 10 cent working. Good. That's beautiful. It's probably a lot. That is so cool. What do you guys think? I love it that it's built like a suitcase. Not too fast, taking its time. Ooh, 1 cent, 1, 2. Not where it's supposed to. Probably have to adjust it a little bit. Alright, it goes through a little bit. This old. Sometimes you gotta help it out a little bit and then it's going. I love that sound. Uh-oh. Overflow. Happens. It is a vintage item right here. Oh look, there's $1. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. It does not separate the dollars. You see, like $1 like that, dollar coin. It only does 25, 5 cents, 1 cent, and 10 cents. Definitely need to be adjusted a little bit. That 1 cent sometimes goes through for some reason. Let's try to toss one. Ah, how come? Oh, you know what? It needs to be leveled perfectly. This table is not leveled perfectly. That's why. Okay, we're gonna put a lot more coins. Take the $1 out. So just the most popular coins. I love that. Such a cool design. That's a good view right here. Man, that's fast. A lot of 5 cents I have. For the most part, 1 cent go where they're supposed to. Gonna help those out a little bit. There you go. Yeah, looks like once in a while falls through. Yeah, it just need to be leveled. Beautiful. I love this machine. And once you're done, you can just take out your quarters. You see it? So well, nicely set up. 5 cents. This is one of a kind machine. I'm lucky to even find it on eBay. I always look for unique stuff. And 10 cents. It's a good quality. And once you're all done, you can just close it. This is a one of a kind machine. Love it. And there's a little suitcase, as you can see. And the number look like you can reset 00. Beautiful. Got it here, the most powerful arc lighter. Check this out, look how wide that is. So you just press it. Wow. It's glowing, it's so wide. Do you hear that spark? And it's just really, really thick. In the daytime, not so thick, it's brand new. But yeah, let's turn off the light, see what it looks like. Oh, looks like mirror polished. Okay, a little bit darker. Check this out. You see it's just glowing. Uh-oh. looks like it's got overheated. So you can only use it for so long. Well, this is why we make videos about it. It's got overheated. We're gonna cool it off and see what happens. Because right now, there's only a little spark. Oh well, happens. And just like that, that lighter have given up on me. That lighter seems like couldn't handle its own heat. Yeah, it happens. What they should have done is automatic shut off after so many seconds it's burned. It didn't have that. Definitely still feels a little warm. I tried to let it cool off. It's still kind of working. It was on battery 3 and now it's completely dead.